Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make your video blurry in Capcut. So here, I've already imported a clips, and what you need to do to make it blurry, there are two ways. The first one is you can use the blur video effect from the lens category. So click on the lens and find blur. And in here you can just adjust the blur or how much blur you want in your video. So I'm going to go maybe with 5. Then you can just click on the check icon when you're done. So that's the first effect. Or you can also use the blur effect from the nightclub category. So in here in the nightclub category, you can also find the blur effect. Here, just scroll down. Okay, this one, blur. And in here you can see now on the nightclub category, the blur only apply to the object on the video. You can just adjust it how you want, and also the range, and that's it. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.